Every great potato chip begins with carefully harvested potatoes from fertile farmland.
Everything looks good over here.
Yes, the quality is excellent.
Only healthy, high-quality potatoes continue their journey to the factory. Efficient harvesting preserves freshness before processing begins. Every shipment is inspected before leaving the farm. The journey from field to factory begins immediately after harvest. Speed and careful handling preserve the potato's natural quality. Ahead lies the facility where simple potatoes become one of the world's favorite snacks. Every delivery is recorded before entering production. Thousands of kilograms arrive here every day. Precise scheduling keeps production running without interruption.
Keep it coming, straight back. Steady, a little bit more. All right, hold it right there.
Accurate positioning ensures safe unloading. Gravity assists the first stage inside the factory. The factory begins by receiving every potato individually. Removing field debris protects downstream equipment. Inside the factory, automation begins to take over. Starts with thorough cleaning. Every potato moves to the next stage. Industrial washing removes every trace of soil before processing begins. Multiple rinses ensure consistent cleanliness. Removing surface moisture prepares the potatoes for inspection.
Only premium potatoes are selected for production.
Modern vision systems inspect thousands of potatoes every minute. Controlled storage keeps production flowing smoothly. Automation balances every production line. Steam peeling removes the potato skin with remarkable efficiency. Heat loosens the skin while preserving the potato beneath. Mechanical brushes complete the peeling process.
Take a look at this one.
Got it.
Final hand inspection guarantees consistency. Balanced production improves efficiency. Precision slicing determines the final chip quality. Every slice is engineered for uniform cooking. Uniform thickness ensures even crispness.
Removing starch improves texture during frying.
Proper drying prepares every slice for perfect frying. The moment of transformation begins as fresh potato slices enter the fryer. The transformation begins the moment each slice touches the hot cooking oil. Carefully controlled heat creates the perfect texture. Every degree of temperature directly affects chip quality.
Moisture leaves the potato, creating its signature crispness. Clean cooking oil ensures consistent flavor and appearance. Excess oil is removed before seasoning begins. Controlled draining improves texture without sacrificing flavor.
Cooling stabilizes every chip before seasoning. Every batch is checked before flavors are added. Flavor blends are prepared with precise measurements. Automation delivers the exact amount of seasoning. Gentle tumbling coats every chip evenly. Uniform seasoning creates a consistent taste. It ensures a great flavor in every bite. Automated inspection verifies every batch. Vision technology protects product quality. The chips are now ready for packaging. Automation now prepares every bag for consumers. Precision weighing ensures every package meets its exact specification. Every package begins with an exact measured portion. Printed packaging is aligned with millimeter precision. The package takes shape before receiving its contents. Gentle handling preserves every crispy chip. Nitrogen helps keep every chip fresh and crispy. Every seal protects the product until it reaches the customer.
Every package receives complete traceability information.
Automated inspection guarantees packaging quality. Every package is weighed one final time. Accurate weight ensures every customer receives the promised quantity. Robotics improve both speed and accuracy. Shipping cartons are prepared automatically. Automation ensures fast and gentle case packing. Each carton is secured for safe transportation. Every shipment can be traced from factory to store. Robotic palletizing prepares products for distribution. Protective wrapping keeps every shipment stable. The finished product is now ready for storage and final distribution. Before shipment, every production batch undergoes rigorous quality inspection. The finished product is ready to begin its journey to stores. From carefully harvested potatoes to finished packages, every step is engineered for quality and consistency.